Hi guys and welcome back. Yes, I know I preached natural hair for these 10 years. I've been natural for 10 years and I am tired. I live in a country where getting a product is not easy and we don't have a salon that specializes on black hair. So 10 years into this natural hair journey, it hasn't been that easy, guys. So I'm tired. I tried locking my hair for 5 months, which I lost. Like this is what I took down, and I lost a lot of hair. I end up cutting most of my hair. I've tried straightening my hair. I've tried braiding all the time. I've tried so many things on my hair, and guys, I want to try going back to relaxer. Obviously, I'm not going to relax my hair every week, but I want to see how it goes. I'm so anxious because I no longer know how relaxer works because it has been more than 10 years living in Italy, and I went natural as soon as I moved to Italy. That's because we don't have salon, and my hair was falling off. So I want to give it a try, and I had some of my friends that relax their hair. They gave me some 2 tricks on how to maintain relaxed hair and to avoid your hair from falling off. So I hope you follow me into this relaxed hair journey after 10 years. Most of my oil DIY I have on this channel, I'm going to be using it because I love those oil DIY. I love my rosemary spray. I love them. I will still use them to maintain my relaxed hair. So I don't know how this works because it's been 10 years, it's been ages. When I was back in Nigeria, I don't relax my hair myself. I go to salon to do them. So here I am. I need to try it. So let's mix this together. So I'm going to open it. I bought this relaxer was 6 euro 90 cents. It's about 7 euro. It's the same price as that as olive oil on. So I believe they have all the kits inside. If they don't, I'm going to get a glove. I have a glove. So usually it comes with this. I know about this, and it has number two. This is number one, and this is number two. Number two, moisturizing shampoo. They have the instruction here, and they have this so many things. They have number three, which is number three is a restorative treatment. This one here is number three, and this is number four. This is number four. Number four is wonder portion. This is living. So this one comes with number one, cream activator. So I'm going to use this one here to activate this one. So let's get to it.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find.
Moment of truth. Let's do this, guys.
Time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like
So I use everything. Like I emptied it. What I have inside here is the glove. So I used everything because I haven't relaxed my hair in 10 years, and yeah, I think my hair needed it. So I'm going to leave it on. Read the instruction. Leave it on for as long as they ask to leave, and I'll wash it out immediately. So yeah, wash it. So the instruction said to wash this. This is the shampoo. I'm going to rinse it out. Then go in with the shampoo. You guys already know this this step. You guys that are relaxed. Then go in with this one. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to do it off camera. I don't want to keep turning camera around. So I'm going to give you guys. I'm going to show you guys the result. I had to cover it because I went to eat and I don't want to carry it around while I was having lunch. So let's see. So I did it. Now this is my hair. After shampoo, I was thinking I'm going to lose hair, but I did not. Like I said, I cut my hair, guys. I cut my hair 4 months ago, and with the locks that I took down yesterday, I lost a lot of hair. So after shampoo, the indicator shampoo, I'm going to put this whole thing. Two of them is going to my hair. I'm going to apply this on my hair. So I'm going to let them sit for 3 to 4 minutes, then I'll rinse them off. So now I'm done washing that off, and I need to go in with this one here. I'll straighten the hair. I will show you guys the final result because I'm basically done. This is the look of my hair. I'm kind of loving it. I'll see you guys later. Right now I'm putting this one on. This one is the styling, moisturizing, straightening, whatever it is called. This is the final result. This is my hair. This is my hair, and it didn't damage. I was thinking it's going to be worse, but so far so good. I love the result. It's not too thin. I don't know how to explain it, but I think I like it. I like the way this hair. This is after blow dry. I didn't use hot iron. I only use blow dryer here. So this is the final result. If I get tired of it, obviously I will go back to, like, if I get tired of relaxed hair, I will transition back to natural hair. But for now, let me just enjoy this phase of my life. It's a phase of my life. Let me just enjoy it and enjoy it very well because I've been natural for 10 years. Keep cutting my hair. Not for the fact that we don't have a salon here in Italy and we don't have the right product. Either you do DIY or you end up spending for conditioner. You will spend like 30 euro for conditioner. You will use once or maximum twice. It's not fair for us living in Italy. So I've been doing that for 10 years. I've also been working with some DIY that I do myself at home. But right now, after 10 years, then cutting my hair, going on locks and cutting my hair is supposed to be like here. But for the fact that I cut it, it went back again. But anyway, it's a hair, it grows back. I was thinking I was thinking to cut the whole hair and start all over again. But here I am. I said, let me try relaxer one more time and see how it's going to end up. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Have you relaxed your hair? Are you like me that got tired after so many years of being natural to try new things? I don't know. Let's see how it goes. I hope I don't regret this. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Bye.